Intelligent Spaces for Digital Culture by Carrie Feeder. This is an image of a thermometer in a household that's digitally controlled by your phone. It's part of Intelligent Spaces. Intelligent Spaces are rooms that are equipped with sensors to perceive what's happening. It could be digital on your phone or from other places. Description of the trend. It's not just the government controlling new technology, it's in our own homes, Alexa, Smart Life, and Ring doorbells. These things, such as portals and smart thermometers, are the thing of the future. Some negative aspects are people are going to try and hack into it no matter where it is. It's a new source of getting to you and getting your information. Future trends, this could be affecting our cities, controlling our energy and resources, and the flow of traffic. I think, for better or for worse, the future is coming, and with new exciting technology. But it's best to protect ourselves from scams and hackers. Technology is growing fast, at a fast rate. The technology we never knew existed before could be in our homes next year. Thank you.